All right, guys, we just got through cleaning the downstairs. Now we're about to buff it out. Actually, Mr. Scott went upstairs to take a look. Yeah, man, he said he's gonna leave. So anyway, guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference in the bonnet pad. You can see the difference. Proof is in the pudding. Look at that, guys. So that's the one we're about to use now. Once these get loaded, actually, some companies, and I mean, again, to each his own. I don't rewash mine. I just throw them away, kind of build them into the price of the job. But some guys do. How do it look, Scott?
Oh, man, that's amazing.
And that's just clean and buffing. Yes, sir. So he said that's amazing. Also, Steve, guys, Steve is the guy that we did 2 days ago in Snellville. He just wrote me a review on Google. It just popped up, 5-star review. But yeah, guys, so you just heard the client say that's amazing. All right, well, we'll go ahead and get these floors buffed out and then go do this consultation not far away in Roswell. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, March 22nd, we are out here on our second job of the day. We're in Brookhaven. I want to give a special thanks to Miss Rosalie. She's one of my clients, and this is her daughter's and her son's new home they're moving into. So Miss Rosalie, thank you for the referral, because she told them, she said, don't call anybody but Courtney. So anyway, guys, we just, we did our job earlier, our Beaufort screen and recoat client that used me 4 years ago, want to keep it maintained. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is just a simple clean and buff. Also going to be doing a little color correction as well. But this is over 4,000 square feet, clean and buff plus stairs. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so this is the home that we're doing. Beautiful home, and I've never seen these type of floors before. Neither has my sanding guy. Well, not my sanding guy, but my guy that's helping me, Chuck. He also sands floors. Very unique hand scrape floor. And also too, the job that we're doing Monday, it's actually like we passed it coming here like 1 mile away. So let me show you guys what we're doing. So check these floors out, guys. Check out this nice characteristics of these floors. I really believe these were hand scraped by hand, because I have never seen a floor like this before. Scott, have you seen a floor like this before?
I'm not.
All right, so you ought to feel special.
We didn't know whether to like it or hate it.
Yeah, so guys, this is definitely a unique floor. As you can see, it has these these hand carved, hand scrape patterns, and you can definitely tell. I don't think this was machine made. I think this is done by hand. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is here, all of this, bathroom. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing good. ADT is out here, master on the main. And then of course that nice kitchen you guys just saw me go through, and also this sitting area. And then this huge kitchen with the pantry. Then we got the stairs. So what we're doing, I did not want to put my extraction tool on this floor because of the way the floor is made. So we're just doing my cleaning and buffing method with a cotton pads and bonnet pads. So clean it with the microfiber, buff it out with the cotton. All right.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing. There's Chuck. So right now this is cleaning the floor. Microfiber pad is absorbing all the soil and the dirt. And then we're gonna buff it out. All right, guys. We'll probably be here about a good 3 hours. 3-4 hours at the most. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let me show you how good these floors are coming out. I actually just had an inquiry coming on my website, but I'm going to refer him to one of my network partners. He said he wants the floor sanded, and he wants to change the color lighter. Unfortunately, my services do not do that. I do not sand floors. I just maintain floors. But he's also in Brookhaven where I am now. But when we're done here, we have to go to Roswell, and I put in her address. A lady said she has a house that she's trying to put on the market, and she sent me pictures, and it looked like it's going to need a screen or recoat with some color correction. So I told her, send me pictures, and then we set up a consultation when we're done here. So Chuck is buffing the floors. This is the cleaning process. Then after this, we buff them out, guys. When I say this is making a huge difference in these floors, a huge difference. We already buffed out the masters on the main. It's a beautiful home. All right, so you can see how beautiful these floors look now. All right, let's go upstairs where we are. We are done upstairs. Went through quite a few pads, but of course, this is a lot of wood. All right, let's take a look upstairs. All right, yeah, these floors look so much better. You can just really see they have been cleaned. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah, look how I just kind of restored that finish that's in the floor. Kind of make that original finish pop. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Also did some color correction. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. We'll be done in about maybe another 45 minutes or hour. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Mr. Scott went on and paid me. He said, Courtney, just lock up when you're done. Floors look so much better, man. I mean, you can actually see the characteristics of the floor, and they just look clean. They're just clean. That's what we did. And that's what when I came and did the assessment, I didn't want to sell the client a screen and recoat. Not to say they would have not done it, but I just don't think this floor is necessary for a screen and recoat. And as you guys can see, you would definitely agree. And the floors came out really, really good. Beautiful floor, beautiful floor. All right, guys, well, that's going to end it for the week. Well, we do have one more consultation to go do, which is not far from this job. And I want to give a special shout out to my guy Chuck for coming out from South Dakota, doing a 2-day ride along with me. And Monday and Tuesday, I'm going to have my first international student here from the UK, Jules. He's going to deal with me Monday. Monday, we have a huge screen and recoat with UV Cure, which is not far from here. And then Tuesday, we have 2 screen and recoats. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Nice job, Chuck. Chuck, yep. All right, guys, see you in the next one.